Hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually get the ID of a audio file in Roblox. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is hop onto the Roblox website and from there sign into your existing account and then go to the Create button right here. Now inside Create, what we want to do, we want to go down to Store right there. And inside of Store, we want to hop onto the audio section, and from out the audio section you have a whole bunch of options to choose from. Now let's say you want to find a audio file in Exciting. Now here simply browse the Exciting audio file part. Now let's wait till they load. And once you open up the Exciting Browse tab, here you can select a audio file where you want to find the ID for. Simply use the drop down menu right here to open up more information. And once you're inside the audio file, what you want to do is you can't find it right here. You can look for the song right here, but you can't find the ID. What you want to do is go to the link right here in the above of your screen and look for the asset. Now here we have the code, and this is the audio ID. It's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.